Is ClickUp really good for small businesses? You're running a small business. You're juggling a million things at once. Marketing, sales, customer service, finance, the list goes on. And then there's the constant search for tools to help you manage it all. You've probably heard of ClickUp. It's been making waves in the project management world. But is it right for your small business? Let's dive in. First things first, what is ClickUp? It's more than just a project management tool. They call it a work management platform. Basically, it's a place to organize everything your business does, from tasks and deadlines to goal setting and document sharing. It's like having a digital command center for your entire operation. Now, the big question, is it good for small businesses? Well, that depends. It depends on your specific needs, your team size, and your budget. But let's break down some of the key features and see how they might benefit a small business. One of the biggest challenges for small businesses is staying organized. ClickUp's got you covered there. With features like customizable dashboards, multiple views, list, board, box, calendar, and endless customization options, you can create a workspace that perfectly suits your business. Need to track sales, manage projects, or keep tabs on your team's workload? Can do all that. But organization is just one piece of the puzzle. Small businesses also need to be efficient. ClickUp offers a range of time-saving features like automation, recurring tasks, and templates. Imagine being able to automate routine tasks, like sending out weekly reports or assigning new projects. That's time saved that you can spend on growing your business. And let's talk about collaboration. Small businesses often rely on teamwork. ClickUp has features like real-time chat, task comments, and file sharing to keep everyone in the loop. No more back-and-forth emails or missed deadlines. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. ClickUp can be overwhelming for some, especially if you're new to project management tools. The learning curve can be steep, and there's a lot of features to explore. It's also worth noting that while the free plan offers a decent set of features, you might need to upgrade for advanced functionalities, which can add to your costs. So, is ClickUp right for your small business? If you need a versatile, customizable tool to help you organize, manage, and grow your business, it's definitely worth considering. But before you dive in, take the time to evaluate your specific needs and try out the free plan to see if it's a good fit. There are other project management tools out there, of course, like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. It's important to shop around and find the tool that best suits your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.